Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your city Prayagraj? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 7 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city Prayagraj. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their needs. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Chandra Institute. The address of Chandra Institute includes below Syndicate Bank near Sundaram Tower, Rambagh, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh 211003. The contact number of the institute is 09936444560 and the email ID of the institute includes chandrainstituteit@rediffmail.com. Now let us talk about the website. So, the website of Chandra Institute is www.chandrainstitute.com. At rank 4, we have Mission Institute. Mission Institute is the best institute for SSC and other competitive examinations. The address of this coaching institute includes 5B near Anand Hospital, Kutchehari 21, Muir Road, Rajapur, Prayagraj, UP 211002. The contact number of the institute is 089-574-00400. Now let us talk about the email ID and the website. So, the email ID of Mission Institute includes info@missioninstitute.in and their website is www.missioninstitute.in. Down to our rank 5 coaching, we have The Speed Coaching. One of the main features of The Speed Coaching is that it provides best online test series in classroom. The address of the coaching institute is Jagran Chauraha near Katra above Vijaya Bank, Prayagraj, UP 211002. The contact number of the institute is 09161067088. Now let us talk about the email ID and the website. So, the email ID of the institute is thespeedmanagement@gmail.com and the website of the institute is www.thespeedcoaching.in. At rank 6, we have Career Launcher Institute. Career Launcher is one of the most finest institute in Prayagraj for providing SSC coaching. The address of Career Launcher Institute includes number 4333 ground floor Sardar Patel Marg Civil Lines Prayagraj UP 211001. Their contact number includes 0532 2260846 and 9956130010. They have one more contact number which is 923556667. Okay friends, now let us talk about the email ID and the website. So, the email ID of the institute is inquiry.allhd@careerlauncher.com and the website of the institute is www.careerlauncher.com. So friends, the last institute we will be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 7 institute, is Mahindra's Institute. Mahindra's institute is one of the top institute which prepare candidates for banking, SSC and GATE examination. The address of the coaching institute is 124C Ashirwad Bhavan Tej Bahadur Sapru Marg Civil Lines Prayagraj UP. Their contact number includes 0920820594 and 9235253403. Now let us talk about the email ID and the website. So the email ID of the institute is studenthelpdesk@mahindras.org and the website of the institute is www.mahindras.org. So friends, these were our top 7 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Prayagraj. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.